Hello, my name is Philip. In this video, I'll show you how to easily install the Baumer Sensor Suite. Let's get started. I downloaded the version 1.7.1 from the Baumer website. You can find a link to the download down in the description. The file I downloaded is a zip file that contains a folder, and within that folder an MSI file. Double-clicking this starts the installation process. Here you get offered the end-user license agreement. Please carefully read it and accept the terms to continue the installation. In this dialog you have two options. For option 1, you will not require admin privileges for installation, but the software will only be available for your currently logged-in user. Some features of the software may not be available. For accessing all features like firmware update for a connected USB-C link master, for example, or using the software for all the users on the PC, select the second option. Then hit Next to continue the installation. Choose an installation folder. If you click Next without changing it, the software will be saved in the default location. Finally, hit Install to start the installation. You will be asked for several administration privileges. Please accept them to use the software fully. The software has been successfully installed. To start the software automatically, check the box Launch Baumer Sensor Suite and then click Finish to complete the installation. Now you see the login dialog of the Baumer Sensor Suite. If you just start with the software, you'll require an account in order to use it. You can do that by clicking on Create a new account. The account is for free, but an internet connection is required for registration and first login. Complete the form with your details, accept the end-user license agreement and the data privacy terms, and then click Register. After registering, you'll receive an email where you get to complete the registration to finalize your account. Once you confirmed your account, it is time to log in. In this step, you have multiple options. Sign in with work account will try to connect the Baumer Sensor Suite Active Directory to your company's Active Directory. This enables a single sign-on but will require permissions to access your user profile on your company Active Directory. If you do not have an Active Directory, click on Show Other Sign-in options and then sign in with personal account. You'll be asked for your email address and your password. Use the password you received via email. On your first login, you'll be asked to change your password. If you have an Active Directory but do not want to use the single sign-on, you got to again click on Create a new account. Entering your email address will offer you the option. If you have problems using your work email address, click here to create a personal account. As we have not saved your personal information up to now, you got to fill in the forms again. This will prevent the link of the Active Directories and lets you log in via email and password. You'll receive another email with an initial password you can use for your first login with your newly created personal account. Now you are ready to use the Baumer Sensor Suite for your automation project. You can always access your user account clicking on the icon on the top right of the BSS. Here you can sign out or even delete your account. For more information, visit www.baumer.com/bss. Thank you for watching and see you next time.